How to change your Roblox username is the topic of today's video. If you're new to the TutorialTucker channel, make sure you go down below and hit the subscribe button. I'm getting so close to 20,000 subscribers, so I really do appreciate if you could subscribe and then go and leave a like as well. It just gets this video to more people. So in this video I'm showing you exactly what the title says, changing your username. It's super straightforward, and let's jump straight into this. So as you can see, we're now on the video part of where I'll be showing you how to change your Roblox username. So first thing you want to do is obviously come to Google and go to Roblox. Now essentially I'm making a new account just to prove to you I'm fully changing my name and it's the full tutorial. So let's jump into this. So as you can see here, first thing I'm going to do is come here, click sign up, and come and choose my birthday, and I'll create an account and then I'll catch up with you. So yeah, my birthday's in September. And then I'll create this, and then I'll do my username just to prove to you that I'm changing it. And let's jump into this. This is my current username, TutorialTucker1. I just had to remove the ER because otherwise it's too long. So then I'm going to go and click sign up, and we'll just see it's currently registering, and I have to complete this quick verification, and it's the spinning one. So you may get this as well. It's pretty easy though. You just got to tap it around, and then you can see great, passed it, and now it's going to load. And it's going to take us to the Roblox homepage. Now currently, as you can see, that's my username, Tucker Tutorial, and here we are. So the first thing you want to do to change your username is come up to the cog here. This will then reveal settings, help, and log out. And you want to go to settings, so click on settings, it'll take a minute to load. As you can see, my account, and now we've got these settings here. So currently I haven't got a phone number or an email, but as you can see, username Tucker Tutorial1. Then what you want to do is click the edit here. And as you can see here, you need to go and verify your email before you can change your username. So I'm going to go and quickly add my email, and then I'll catch back up with you. So to do that, you want to click add email, simply add your email and your password, and then you verify. So I've just had this email, and all I'm going to do is click verify email. You'll probably receive something similar when verifying your account. Then I'm just going to click verify email. And as you can see, I've now been verified. And I'll get a free hat as well, which is pretty cool. So now we're back here, I can close these other tabs and click view item. You get this for free. But anyway, then come back to the cog up here, the settings, then settings, and then we can go and actually change our username. So as you can see, this is all verified. Then username, Tucker Tutorial. To change that, then I'm going to click on the edit, sort of the pen and paper, click change username. As you can see, you need to go and have 1,000 Robux to change your username. So that's something you have to go and buy. So to do that, you click buy, and then it's going to take us here, and as you can see, you get these different options for getting the Robux. So I'm going to go and get 1,000 Robux, and then I'll see you then. I just bought the Robux, and I bought 1,200 so I can go and change my username. It's expensive, but it's the only way to do it. It's the only working way. There'll be a lot of scams out there. So just go and change this to what I want it to be. So as you can see, that is 1,200. Click settings again, the cog settings, wait for it to load, and let's go and change our username. So TutorialTucker1, click the little paper and pen. As you can see, change your name for 1,000 Robux, click the desired username, important, original account creation date will carry over to your new username. So if you create your account back in 2017, that will still remain that you created it in 2017, even though you changed your username in 2020. So let's go and create the username. So I think I'm going to go for something like Tuck Tutorial, if I can do it, like that. And then I'm going to go and enter my password again, and then we can go and click buy, and then it's going to change our username to Tuck Tutorial. So currently it's Tuck Tutorial1. I want it just to be Tuck Tutorial. Click buy. As you can see, successfully changed username. And if we click refresh, click to home, I've now got it, and I've got 200 Robux left. And I did actually have to quickly log back in then, essentially because you change your username, so you'll have to do that process as well. But that is the tutorial. If you have found it useful, make sure you go down below, hit the like button, I really do appreciate it, and hit the subscribe button for more awesome Roblox tutorials. And I look forward to catch you in the next video. Peace.